Hello and welcome to this webinar. My name is Neha and I will be your presenter today. So it is going to be a 20 to 25 minutes webinar followed by a question and answer session. You are requested to type in your questions in the text box below. In the previous webinars, we have discussed how to configure a live chat widget in Vision Help Desk system and integrate it with your websites. We have also discussed how you can connect your virtual agent with your live chat. The topic for today's webinar is reports and analytics in live chat. So let us begin with the agenda. So the agenda for today's webinar is to understand the behavior of your users and implement the suitable strategies under analytics. The other topic is functions of reports in live chat, where we'll see detailed information, how detailed information is displayed in reports, and the customizable reports which can be drawn as per your requirement. So analytics is a vast topic. It allows you to evaluate and understand the market requirement, thereby making changes in your product as well as the service delivery. Let's say, for example, you have configured a live chat widget. You can display this widget on your websites. You will just need to add the script to the footer of your web page. So in this centralized staff portal, you will get the details of all the visitors accessing your various web pages. Using this analytics feature, you will be able to analyze the website traffic and performance. Also under reports, you will find a vast range of reports that can be drawn. These reports can be used for decision making, checking the productivity of your staff while providing you the ease of management. So let us begin with the analytics part. So how analytics is used in live chat reporting? So using analytics, you can track and report the website traffic. You will also be able to fetch the details of the web page visitor, trace the details such as duration, number of visits, IP address, location, etc. And all of these details would be displayed in real-time basis. So let us now check this out on the setup. So I would log in using my admin credentials. Once you log in, you will land up on the dashboard, and on the dashboard itself, you will get an overview of all the modules which are present in the system. Over here is the live chat related settings. So this is the visitor board, where you will find all the visitors who are accessing all the web pages where you have displayed your live chat widget. You will also get the details of the visitors, that details such as their IP address, location, referring URL, the number of visits. So the system also recognizes if it is a revisitor, the browser, if any other pages have been visited, and so on. So this is the visitor activity board where the details of the visitor are displayed. These details are also displayed on real-time basis for your reference. If there are any new visitors checking out your web pages, they would be displayed over here. So let's talk about the reporting feature in live chat. We have some features which are available with the system with respect to only the domain admin and the super admin. Whereas the reports module is accessible to all the staff provided you give them access. So we have the live chat dashboard where you get a real-time count of the visitors, the ongoing chats connected by your staff members, and the count of staff online and available for chat. You can also search for these staff if there are a number of staffs in your system. So let us check this out. So on this visitor board, this is the option to check the live chat dashboard. So here you will find the total number of visitors, ongoing chats, and online staff. If you have a number of staff available, you'll also be able to search from this filter option by the staff name or their email address, their status, or their activity. Also, based on their online time, you will also be able to invite or forward a chat to your staff members, and likewise use live chat. The other is day report. So this day report is also accessible to only your domain admin as well as your super admin. It gives you a preview of an entire day. So you can check for the staff productivity as well as the service availability for your staff members as well as your departments. You can also analyze the web page traffic coming in. Let's check this out. From the visitor board itself, there is an option for day report. So here you also have the option to search for which day you want to draw this report and apply filter. So we have over here how many visitors did you receive, how many of them were new visitors, and how many of them were recurring. That is, they were revisiting. Then staff-wise availability, that for how long was your staff online for that particular day, involved in chats. We also have department-wise availability, where you can define the time for your department. And using this date and time option, you can also search for any report for any previous dates. Then we have the reports module. Under the reports module, we have statistical reports. Statistical reports, the data is displayed in tabular format. You can also schedule this report for any future date, and these reports can be exported in CSV, HTML, and XLS file format. You can also send these reports to any email address of your choice. So we'll see how this can be done on the setup. From this launcher icon, you can access the reports. So under statistical reports, you will find reports based on every module which is present in the system. Under the live chat module, let us check out the visitor report. Select the domain and generate. So you will understand the total visitors accessing your web pages, their details, such as their domain name, their IP address, their time zone, how many visits did they make, and so on. You can also schedule this report. You can add the report title. You can define the schedule, that is, if you want this report to be taken on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, monthly, and so on. You can define the start date and the end date. You can choose the export type. And if you want, you can also send it on any email address of your choice. Using this export option, you can simply export it and send it to an email address. So under statistical reports, you can export and schedule the reports. So let us check out another report. Let's suppose staff-wise chat report. So using this report, you can check for the productivity of your team. So here you can have the total chats, the total missed chats. Below that, as every chat transcripts is also created as an incident in the system, you will get a list of those incidents with the details such as if the chat was completed, what was the start and end time, the duration for which the staff was online with the end user. Then we have visitor-wise report. So let's suppose if you have started a marketing campaign in any country and you want to see if after the campaign there are visitors coming from that particular country, so you can use this report. You'll get the total number of visitors and the details such as the domain, referrer, IP address, how many visits did they make, and so on. This is all about the statistical reports. We have graphical reports. The data would be displayed in pie chart, bar graph, and line graph format. These reports can be exported in PDF format, and that PDF can be shared on various other platforms. So under reports module, this is the graphical reports. Let us suppose we draw a department-wise report. So you'll get to see the data in bar graph format. You can also export this report and a PDF will be downloaded in the system, which you can share on various other platforms. Let's suppose there is day-wise report. So here you are seeing a line graph where you can see the number of visitors and how many of them were converted to chats. This is all about the graphical reports. Then we have custom reports. So under custom reports, you can customize the columns that you want to export. You can also schedule this report for any future date and export it in CSV, HTML and XLS file format. Also, you will be able to send this report on any email address of your choice. So here is the option to create custom report. Now let's suppose I say channel equals to live chat and department equals to sales. You can also save this report for any future date. So you'll be able to draw it again. So in this way, this report will be created for all the tickets generated for live chat requests received in sales department. So let us export this report. So once you export the report, you will see it will be displayed under queue. Once the report is processed, you will find it under the download queue. And you can download it from here. So I have downloaded one example report which I can show you in CSV file format. All of the details displayed on the report would be exported in CSV file format. So we are done with the webinar. If you have any questions, please proceed to type those in the text box below and we shall answer those questions one by one. So we have got a question. Can I restrict access to reports for few of my staff members? Yes, you can restrict the access for reports from role access. So I'll be showing it to you. From the admin settings, we have user settings. From here, you can add your staff members where you can assign them roles. And if you do not want a staff member to be able to access the reports, you can remove their access from here. So in this way, you can restrict your staff members from accessing your reports module. So we have another question. Can we have the reports emailed to multiple email IDs? Let me take you back to reports. So let's suppose if I am drawing a report and I want to export it. So while exporting and sending it to any particular email address, you can add multiple email addresses over here, comma separated. And all of those emails will receive the report from your end. So in this way, you can send reports to multiple email addresses. So we have another question. Is there any provision to get time spent by my staff on each chat? So yes, we do have that provision. Since every conversation, a transcript is created in the system, that is the incident, and under every incident, you will find a different tab created called as time tracked. Here you will find the total time that your staff member was online with this particular client and resolving the client query. So using this time tracked option, you can check the time spent by your staff member on every chat. So, are there any further queries or shall we wrap up this session? Since there are no more questions coming in, we shall wrap up this session. Thank you for attending the webinar. If you have any questions, you can always drop us an email at sales@visionhelpdesk.com. We will keep you posted about the upcoming webinars. You can also check our website for more details. Thank you once again and wish you a great day ahead.